want to bring to you things you need to know. Today I want to show you something. You use your smartphone to create movies, to act movies like what you used to see in other movies, African movies, especially the Nigerian movies, where you see people disappearing. And today I want to show you something, how your soul can leave your body through this video editing, and it's done with a smartphone. Just watch this video and let's see how it goes. I believe you watched that video and you've seen what you didn't know before, right? Please, I know you might questions will be asking or asked in the comment section, how did you do this? How did you do this? Do you really want to learn how to do this? How your soul leaves your body? That's done with smartphone, and you can do it so very easy. Okay, just comment below. Make sure you share this video. In as much as you share this video, it's going to encourage me bring to you more tutorials like how to do things like these. Okay, share this video, like and comment, encourage my work. God bless you, and see you in the next video.